Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Samara Builds. I'm building a better life. My bedroom. So I finally got carpet put back in. I can't tell you the world of difference that just that made. Like, just to have a cozy flooring that's beautiful, great color. I just feel so much more cozy and safe and warm. Plus, I'm wearing this nice coat, which is keeping me warm, so it's helping. Because your girl doesn't love winter or being cold. Anyways, bedroom. I reorganized how I have my room. I moved stuff around, and I gotta say, if you're feeling just like kind of sick of your living space, maybe in a little bit of a rut, just like shift stuff around, and it's like makes a world of difference. So 10 for 10, recommend just moving your shit around. I have all my lighting sorted, and I love the way it turned out. I'm still figuring out exactly where I'm putting stuff up on walls. You know I'm using command strips because I'm a command strip girly, but I just love it. And my message is you can change stuff. Like, I know change is scary, especially if you're like, I actually don't know how to do this thing. I don't know how to do anything, and I've been doing stuff, and it feels really good. So, we're coming into a new year. Just like face the fear, face the unknown, and just make some changes. It's gonna get messy. It's gonna get weird. You're gonna make mistakes. Sometimes the changes won't be worth it, but I feel like a lot of the times they are. So I'm an advocate for taking control of what you can, and just like we've all been dealt the cards we've been dealt, you can shuffle those cards around a little bit. You can maybe draw a different one. I don't know. I'm excited with the changes that I've made in my life, and I'm excited for this new year, and I would like to push that onto you. So just go after what you want. Now that my bedroom is really a lot better where I'm wanting it to be, I'm ready to face the rest of the basement, which is like so overwhelming, but I'm so excited about it. Also, as I've said before, this is a 100-year-old house. We're renting, me and my twin sister. The landlord's looking to totally redo all the electrical, which is a big deal and exciting. So if you know anybody, let me know. We spend a lot of time, obviously at work, but like a lot of time in our bedrooms. Like, we sleep there. So try to make your living space a place that is comfortable for you, that's inspiring, that you just like actually enjoy being in, because it makes a world of difference. So you deserve to have a space that you feel comfortable in and that you like being in. So do it. Make those changes. Do it. Do it. We're doing what we want. I've been singing a lot this morning, which I also recommend. Anyways, this is my finished bedroom, or, almost finished, or whatever. I still got to work on that window. Whatever. It's cool. I want to find a wooden bench for this area instead of this craziness. I still need to hang up what I have to cover this area, and then find a cute way to cover up this atrocity. We're getting there, working on it, but this is mostly done, and I'm stoked about it, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let me know what you like, what changes I've made that you're all about, whatever. What would you do differently? What kind of colors are you bringing into your space? Bring it on. I want to hear. And I hope you're having just a great day. Peace and love. Bye.